It took almost a year to save up the money and then get our custom windows finally in stock and installed. But here is the progress up to this point, which is March through July of 2022. We officially have windows. Well, we have one. So here is our doorway. You can see the transom light at the top still has the wood and one side light. But Lord willing, when the day is over, we are going to be completely finished with the windows. It was very cold and rainy when I shot this video, and today it's over 100 degrees. Me too. Don't drop it. Uh-oh. Oh no. I'm praying. Maybe. Come on. This is looking good. Got the drill, so it must fit. Praise God. It took some modification to our original construction because the size of the window was not made correctly. We looked back and we did order a 10-inch window, but they made it a little bit smaller than that. Luckily, Damien was able to change some things and make it work the best we could, because it would be a few months before it came back in since it was a special order. Okay, so here's the final view of the wood finished on the outside. As you can see, we stopped midway on covering the nails or bolts in the door, and we are going to sand off the one that we did and redo it. But this is what it looks like so far. On this window up here, we're going to add a flower box where flowers overhang. Then I need to get a double wreath, pour this concrete, and we will be good to go. Well, thanks for watching the progress so far. When it's completely done, I'll be sure to come back and show you exactly what we've done to finish out this area of our home.